Hi guys, I'm Jess, and this is my golden retriever Hudson. We've been living out of the back of my 2017 Hyundai Tucson, camping, traveling, cooking, and exploring all over the US. If you love the outdoors and want to see our adventures roaming the country and discovering some really cool places, please like, subscribe, turn your notifications on, and continue watching. Join us on our first journey through Prescott. We spend the morning exploring the Granite Dells and end up on another hike through Prescott National Forest. This map shows the path that we took that day, so you can stop, pause the video, and check that out. Morning! It's February 1st. Thought I heard something. It's February 1st, which means I've had this guy for exactly 2 years. 2 years ago, I picked you up and you were just a baby puppy. You were just a baby puppy. We'll let him pee in peace. Oh, that is a long pee, dude. Oh, there's my baby puppy. Hudson! I've had you for 2 years today. 2 years. Oh, yeah. Oh, you want breakfast? Okay. Oh, it's a baby puppy. Oh, you were just a baby puppy 2 years ago. Oh, yeah, you was. All right. Good morning. Look, see, I scratched my eye, like right by my eye. No idea how I did that. I'm re-bundled up for the day. It's not like that cold, it's a little cold though. So I'll probably take some of this off when we start hiking. We're gonna go hike Constellation Trail, something like that. Change my mind, we're gonna do Watson Lake Loop. That's like 4.8 miles. And it goes all the way around the lake, I guess. So that's what we're gonna do. As soon as the car is ready, it's like a 20 or 30 minute drive. Hudson and I are here at the trailhead. These are the Dells. We're gonna walk around Watson Lake. No one else is here. It's just us. So I'm gonna change into my shoes, grab my backpack, and then we'll go. Here we go. Gonna hike the Dells and hopefully not get rained on. Following the white dots. We're doing the Flume Trail and Watson Lake Loop. This is interesting. I changed hats and dropped into shorts because I figured I'd get hot, but it's only about 40 degrees out right now, so I'm a little cold at the moment. Look how cool this place is. Hudson, geez Louise, man, don't pull me. Follow the white dots. Follow the white dots. Follow the white dots. Look how awesome this is. Gonna be honest with you, never had heard of the Granite Dells before today, but look at them. Hudson. Yeah, they're pretty cool. So, I realized there's a slight problem. I started us at the wrong trail. Come here, Huds. I wanted to walk around the lake, but that's not what this loop is. It is going to take us to the lake, so if we want to walk around it, we're like doubling the distance. Not sure what we're going to do yet, but we might still walk around the lake. We shall find out. There's so much granite out here. Just walking through all this granite. It's kind of a bizarre landscape, right? Like, cool, but like weird. Look at all this freaking rock. Oh, another sign. The Flume Trail. Trail detour. Okay. Current location. If we keep going down, or this way. I think we want to go to the right. Our flume trail is not super flumy. Looks kind of gross. Good boy. Yeah, we're staying out of that muck. Go back up. Yep, go back up. Hey, go back up here, over here. There's the dam up ahead. Here is Granite Creek, and there is the dam. All right. Our turning point, Watson Lake Loop Trail. That's what I wanted to do. So that's what we're gonna do. We're down by the river and the dam, and we're gonna turn and we're gonna go towards the Watson Lake Loop Trail. Okay. Cool beans. Okay. We got rid of the coat and hoodie. They're in the backpack now because it was hot. And we're still following the Watson Lake Loop Trail, hoping we actually get to see the lake. Hiking outfit. Hudson, he's just wearing a collar and a leash. Now we about to really be climbing up here. Nice. Nice. Get it. Oh, good boy. Come on. Come on. There we go. Still following these white dots. Bro, why are you in such a hurry for, Bobo? Ooh, look at it. There's the lake all the way up there. Let's hold on. Yeah, there it is. Not as cool looking as I thought it was going to be, but that's okay. Stay right there. You look so awesome. Look at you. You're so good. We got the lake up there. Slow, Jess. Slow pan. This is a pretty unique landscape, you gotta admit. Good boy, Hudson. You are so good. Hold on. I'm coming. Hi, Hutsy. Hi, buddy. Let's go climb over here. Oh. Just climbing around the Granite Dells with that freaking butte. I'm coming down here. Ay, ay, ay. This dog. Okay. Good job. Hey, be careful. All right, we're gonna climb up this way. Different look of the lake, but also the dam is right there. Holy damn. Hot damn. Whoa, okay. Stay. Hi. Oh, I know. Yeah, we don't need to walk around this lake. This is a good enough view. Hop back over. Okay. Good boy. What? All right, Bubba, I'm about done. You ready to walk back? Yeah. Me too. Me too. Good job, dude. Okay, wait for me. My goat. I don't feel like I need to walk around that lake. I feel like what I saw is cool enough. So we're gonna go back to the car We found the trail again, so we're good. We're gonna go back to the car and we're gonna find another hike to do because it's only 9:20 in the morning right now. Yeah, we hiked this super fast. Hello. I'm just gonna sit and enjoy this view for a minute because it is pretty cool. Hi, Bubba. I love you. I love you. It is freaking gorgeous. We are gonna head whoop straight back to the Flume Trailhead. Well, let's go, baby. Good boy. All right, we're ready to roll, buddy. You gonna go climb in the back? Go ahead. All right, Huts, let's find a new trail. Let's go hike it. That's my job to find the trail? Okay, fine. I'll find it. You just sit there looking gorgeous. Okay, and go. You don't want to get hit. There we go. This is the road they want us to drive down. Hi, Huts. Your face is a little bit in the way. It's closed. I don't really want to hike down there. It looks kind of gross. So we'll turn around, go back into town, and find a different hike. Yep. Got a new trailhead. It's Spence Springs Trailhead. Not really sure what this trail is, but we're gonna go check it out. Yeah, me and yous. Me and yous. All right, here we go. Hudson, come here. Come here. Come tell me about what just happened. You tell me? Yeah. We met a nice older couple with a 1-year-old pup named Gracie. And I let him off the leash and they played for like, I don't know, 4 or 5 minutes while I chatted. This direction is like pretty cool. It takes you up on a ridge and you're able to see some stuff. So this is the way we're going. But yeah, that was good. You got to jump around and play for a couple minutes. Now we're gonna keep hiking. Oh, there's a Hudson. Yeah. You're walking off leash. You've been a good boy. Dude, mountain biking out west, so popular. If I move out here someday, I need to get a bike. Or bring my bike out, rather. Seems fun. It would be fun biking these trails while you ran. Wow, look at this view. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Yeah, we're doing good. We are. This is fun, huh? It's only like 10:30. Hello. Hi, Bubba. Look at these skies. It's cleared up a bit. It looks bluer. Huh? Good job, buddy. We're back where this trail splits 3 ways, and we want to go back this way. We're back at the car. Yes, we are. And that old couple that we met at the beginning of the trail, we met up with them at the end. Sit up here. Girl, come up. The old couple that we met. Okay, he wants to be in the back. You can be in the back, that's fine. I'll turn the AC on. Yeah, it's hot. Let me get rid of this freaking jacket, actually. We met up with that same old couple at the end with their dog. And they gave us some tips. They said Lynx Lake and Goldwater Lake, I think, around here are really cool to hike around. Yarnell, where the Granite Mountain firefighters perished. They said that trail is really awesome. And then they said, I don't know, driving to Phoenix. Like if you take Yarnell back that way, it's a cool winding trail. But Hudson and I are just gonna get some AC and go to camp right now. Yeah, we're a bit hot. I know, mostly you, but I got hot too. So we're gonna go back this way into town. Hi dude, I know you're hot. We're back where we camped yesterday. Or pretty much back where we camped yesterday. This is where we camped yesterday, right off to our right. We're gonna drive a little further in today and see what we can find. If nothing, we'll be back there. We've driven a couple miles in and have not found even one more camping spot. I don't really want to be searching, so I'm turning around. We're gonna just go back and camp where we know we can. Sounds good to Hudson and to me. And it's snowier and colder up here. It's dropped like 6 degrees in the couple miles we drove in. Let's drive back to the beginning. We made it back to camp. Yeah, I'm gonna cook some noodles. I've got the water in there, got the noodles, got some cheese and some sauce. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be so good. Got the noodles. Good enough. It's all done. Cheese, sauce, pasta. Time to try a bite. Oh, it tastes so good. I have not eaten anything today. The cheese and sauce and pasta. Oh, it just tastes freaking good. Nice and hearty. Like it's gonna fill me up. And he's just sleeping. Now, he's already had 2 of these today, but since it's his gotcha day, one more, huh? 2 years I've had you. 2 years you've been my best bud. Huh? I'm so lucky. We're all climbed in for the night. It's like 5:30, but I'm tired. I just want to lay down, and he didn't have any objections, so yeah, we're in for the night. It's not quite dark, but that's okay.